sitting here watching NHRA TV in the airport. I'm going to try and keep everybody updated on what's going on with Dad and our team as much as possible this weekend.
And fire the next pair. Terry Haddock, Priority Systems, taking priority signage on the side of his Mustang, and Blake Alexander back in the saddle again.
For Blake Alexander, and not a full-time car, they average a 6.5 spot in qualifying, so they average a top half qualifying spot. They also average an early finish on Sundays, but right now we're going to concentrate on that 6.5 average qualifying.
Come on, show my race car. Show my race.
Terry Haddock has been chasing a milestone, seems like forever. You know, you've heard about guys that do things on a shoestring budget. His is more like dental floss. But he has been able to build himself a pretty good race team over there.
So
better inventory of parts and pieces. Been sneaking up on it. Terry Haddock has never made a 3-second run. He's been 4-0 here, 4-0 there, 4-0 here. And I don't know, I just feel like tonight there might be a little 3-second magic in the air out there.
Well, certainly conditions are telling us that it's available. There's no question about that. For Blake Alexander, this is a car that can run in the high 380s. It's the first car that we really have in the order that can and has consistently, to a degree, especially in qualifying, done that. It's interesting how the expectations kind of vary wildly between, especially when we're in the front half of a qualifying session. One team's utter success, meaning Haddock going at 99, would be seen like an ultimate failure by some of the teams yet to come. It's a very interesting thing about drag racing.
You see Fisher Auto Body on the side as well. I'm assuming that that is their work. Painted that very blue and white car. All right, come on, Terry. You've been looking for this for a long time. Let's see if we can make it happen here. In front of these great fans at Worldwide Technology Raceway. Friday night.
At this time, we're going to ask that you please make sure that all of your chargers are unplugged. And if you want to make sure that all of your handbags are properly
wow, did that
stowed.
thing turn sideways.
This does include any crossbody
Flames
bags
down
and
fairly
stands.
early for Blake Alexander, and just a split second later, Terry's car looked like it may have dropped more than one cylinder on the left side. It made a violent move towards the concrete wall. Terry gets his foot out of the gas, fortunately, and saved from scraping any of that pretty blue paint off the Priority Systems car. But Haddock goes 553 at 128. Blake Alexander.
Looks like the funny car's locked up again. That sucks. How'd it go?
What's that?
How'd it go? I saw on NHRA TV that it smoked the tires, but
It went 890, 60 foot, and it's faster.
that's good.
Yeah, so it'll be better. We just still got to get the clutch right, but we'll work on it some more tomorrow.
Yeah, why is it locking up and welding together every time we make a run?
Because where it's smoking the tires is where the clutch is working the hardest, and it's just locking it up. It's not a big deal. It's just what's happening.
I am going to end off this video. I am trying really hard to keep everyone updated with me not being in St. Louis. I really wish I was there. The funny car ran an 892 60 foot, which would have put it on track to run a 395, which is really fast, and I'm hoping Dad gets the 3-second run, but I'm also hoping he doesn't because I'm not there. I want to be there for that. But there's a possibility that it happens tomorrow, which would be really, really cool. The clutch welded itself up again, like it's been doing the past few runs. Like, we had to disconnect the drive shaft every time in Reading, and yeah, so I'll be watching NHRA TV all day tomorrow, and I will keep everybody updated on what's going on. The new funny car body looks so good with the Priority Systems stickers, and that white and red strip along the side is going to stay for the rest of the year with the Circle Racing logos and everything else that's regularly on there. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.